Hello everyone, this is the Random Channel Eli here, and today I'm making a separate video of this 52-inch Hampton Bay Carousel ceiling fan. This fan is soon going to get replaced by a Harbor Breeze classic style. This fan does wobble a bit, buzzes and hums. And I do not know where I put the set screws, so it's free to roam around, and I do not feel like balancing out this fan. So eventually, this fan's going to get replaced by one of the favorite fans that I had in mind. This fan is also on a swag kit because there is no electricity up in the ceiling, so my grandfather put it on a swag kit. And go ahead and do the demonstration here. And it would help if this fan was turned on. Alright, anyway. 4-way. And we'll start with the low speed. And this fan does blow a good amount of air too. And these light sockets are adjustable as well. So you can have them point down, or you could twist them up, do all kinds of stuff with it. And it's a fast fan too, so I like it. I am going to keep this fan too, by the way, so don't worry. And back to low you go. And before I go, I want to say thank you guys for 91 subscribers. I'm almost to 100, so please keep on pushing my goal as I try to make new videos. So, again, thank you for 91 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Anyways, thanks for watching.